What's up guys? Alright, so this week's recipe I've actually pretty much used leftovers, had some lemongrass, egg noodles and beef lying around in my fridge, something just like this. So you're opening up your fridge and see what's inside. So check this one out. It's called the Thai beef stir fry with egg noodles. Recipe is super vibrant and full of flavor, guys. I've made 3 meals. It's so easy. If you've got everything prepared, you literally only need about 10 minutes. Like I said, I've used leftovers, so check out what's actually in your fridge and make them. The best part about this is that it's not only so quick, it's so low in calories. You can only have this like one meal for about less than 350 calories. So it's so easy, tasty and low in calories. The only bit though, because I'm using leftovers, I didn't actually have any veggies left that day when I made this dish. So you can actually add in some veggies to make it a little bit more nutritious. Anyway, just find out what you need, and if you are ready, we should get started.